what I love about these Pirates admin, the only wrote thank you there. Patrick Masangwani, thank you. Ukuthi Pirates will never be the same. What abayibarang re abayibarang le sizwa ngawe.
I was really excited about Tito saying like, listen, Tito's this is his season, So I was excited about that because we were lacking in that 10 round, and all of a sudden Tito stands up and says, listen, you have to be counted. And now we're backing up. Now I'm feeling like I'm backing this guy. Like, hey, listen, Tito's here. And all of a sudden news like this, as much as it, yes, we're excited if our players go abroad, but what is it for money? If it's for money, yes, then it's fine. But for football, I think Tito's going for the money reason then, because Bahrain, I only know of the Bahrain Grand Prix. That's all I know of Bahrain, but then it definitely has to be for money. So if it's for him and for personal reasons, yes, I'm happy, Tito. If it's for you, brother, yes, I'm happy. I still saw him playing a pivotal role in that. That's where the little bit of mixed emotion or the disappointment comes, He looked like he was going to play a pivotal role for us this season because, we haven't seen Tito the way he was at the beginning of this season. We haven't seen that Tito. And now we started to see him and all of a sudden he gets scouted in Bahrain.
Yaqale yaba ngathi tough love from ucoach lento kaTito. Yaqale yaba ngathi tough love kodwa hi tough love we uTito uthendeni ba right no coach yajongwa kancinci until bayizofikelela kuthiwe thank you Tito. There's something like kune story esingasaziyo behind lento kaTito and it's a very very serious. I story serious ngalendlela oba inkulu into ibisenzeka between uWadu kwakunye noTito and iPirates yakhetha uchoose uWadu. I think like yinantsika leyo yi best decision abayenzileyo because you can't choose a player and then lose a best coach because it's better to have a best coach than a best player.
Is Pirates gonna miss Tito? Yes or no? No, they're not gonna miss him. You know why? It's because what Tito is going to do is something that happened before, where we had Mbogazi left, we soldier on as Pirates. Ulontuzana Unkota left, we continue. It says Mnyama ngenkanza ke umuzi kamasipala zawenzo wawo. King Yama 2000 he left. We're still going on. So I'm saying this because there were players before and there will be players after. But one thing that I would say is that really we will really say thank you very much, Tito. You contributed to Orlando Pirates. We've won trophies with you. You've shown us your quality. You did very well for us. Yes, there will be some moments where maybe some games are tough. And then we will say, ish, if Tito was there. But now, we need to find ourselves in the position to live without Tito, as we did live without Mbogazi.
It's a done deal. Pirates have lost yet another. But Silana, in recognition of his service to the club and his ambitions for the next chapter of his career, Orlando Pirates agreed not to stand in his way. A transfer was subsequently concluded with Al Khaldea Sports Club. They decided not to stand in his way. So he wanted to go abroad. And he said it before he wants to go abroad again. So, siyambongela uTito. Pirates nje kuzomele Pirates kumele siyalidinga iplay creative. Angeke siluze umfuke noTito in one window and just fold our arms. Khona kumele kwenzeke fast futhi.
Manini bafethu, manini. Ischeme ska Rivero sasigude ngalendlela ukuthi wonke umuntu uyasifuna phesheya ufuna umdlalo wakhe noma ucoach wePirates nje mhlawumbe ongakholelwa kusona cause kancane siyahlakazeka yabo ade ngibuka abadlali nje abasele nje manje kwiPirates from ischeme ska Rivero yabo mawubheka nje kule scheme uChain uMbatha uMakhawula noHotho, the rest out. Saleng, Tito, Nda, Mabasa, Mfukeng, Sesana. Even kwakuyona iPirates kuqobo beside le scheme. Cathi abadlali abakhona nje abasebenzisayo uHotho, uSibisi, noba umuntu mhlawumbe ngangikhumbuza makhona omunye futhi ngimkhohlayo ucoach wePirates akholela kuyena osuka kulesa scheme sika Rivera, because even uLethu Uzalo uKabelo Dlamini as much as ekhona but akamsebenzisi, yabo kwenzakalani laba fethu umuntu ufuna ukuqalela into yakhe noma nje kwenzakalani.
Listen, man, Coach Wadu may have won us a league title, but at what expense if we are going to lose all of our best players? A lot of players have left the Orlando Pirates, but I don't think it cuts as deep as with Tito Maswanganye leaving, man. I mean, the rumors circulated for no longer than 3 days, and the club confirms it. And what makes me sad is that he is the one who insisted upon this move. He was the one with his agents who were actively looking for other options outside of Orlando Pirates. And I know there's a lot of speculations going around, but you cannot overlook the feud that he had with the Coach Wadu, right? He didn't feel comfortable at all playing under him. And after one season, he had enough. That is the truth of the matter, because listen to what this statement says. I'm going to skip all the way to the last paragraph there. It reads, Maswanganye remained an important part of the technical team's plans for this season. However, following discussions with the player and his representatives, he expressed a clear desire to pursue new opportunities abroad. And I'm telling you now, man, these have been ongoing conversations from last season even between Tito and his agent. This is the next part of the official article, right? But I'll just read the first paragraph there. It says, in recognition of his service to the club and his ambitions for the new chapter for his career, Orlando Pirates agreed not to stand in his way. I mean, the Orlando Pirates are ignoring you. We know that. They will show you the door if you want to leave, because they always believe they can replace you. It is true though, but for us wanting to retain the title and competing continentally, especially this season, we cannot afford to be losing our best players, man. We've lost Abo Mabasa, we've lost Abo Dino van Rooyen, Tito, Rile Mufukeng, Mohaon Kota, Mbokazi. Sipho Mbule, if you want to mention him, he was also another quality, but his situation is a bit different. The point here is we are looking like a completely different side than the one that won all these titles, right? And you need a bit of experience, people who've tasted success, and key players in your team to continue if you want to continue to dominate. And I feel like this is one of the reasons why Pirates do not dominate for a sustained period of time. As soon as they get a bit of success, I don't know, it's like they get too excited in the market because the valuation of their players has increased. They sell almost all of them. And it will take us another 10 years to rebuild and compete. But hopefully things are different, man. I'm really, really upset. What does Tito leave as? Is he a legend? The Orlando Pirates has been here for 3 seasons. He had the streets, won the league title. And he was one of the players that you as a fan, you'd go to the stadium to want to see. So an icon in those last 3 years. We have a lot of people to replace in that team, man, especially in that number 10. But we'll see what happens.
You. No, you can't nenze njani madoda kanti manihlela lapha ema-office nizweni discussani madoda masenifakana ehlathini kangaka. Hayi yabona impela uma umlando we-Norway kumele izinto engakubulala uyi-8 no ukuthi hayi ngelinye ilanga ngakubulala. Hawu. Athi mina ngempela kwenze njani? Wetito nimxoshelani siyagula. Hawu kodwa madoda ubani-ke manje sizofakela umzala kaHaaland amaphasi.
Hayi Mabhakaniya, hayi ndiyakhala mna Mabhakaniya, hayi ndiyakhala Mabhakaniya. Utito naye uhambile ngoku. Ngubani olandelayo ke ngoku? Hayi.
It is now confirmed. Orlando Pirates posted this on their Instagram. Thank you. Patrick Tito Maswanganye has completed his transfer to a team out there in Bahrain. Hey, Pirates, thank yous lately catching you by surprise, or catching all of us by surprise. I know I'm an op, but still weird to see this. I don't know, I just didn't expect Tito to leave Pirates. I thought maybe he'd be one of those players to retire at Pirates because of how much he's given them. But yeah, he's on his way out. And good luck, my brother, with your future. Like I say, go get that oil money, that retirement fund. You, oil money there, Bahrain. Hey, too much money. So go get it. Wish you the best of luck with it. I'm sure we'll see Bafana colors. It's still surprising to me. I'm sorry. I'm still like surprised at this thing. It's really, really happening.
Manje njengoba nithi ifomu yePirate yehlile kuyabonakala ukuthi akusafani omfwe ngabasekho nifuna sikhuphule nifomu nifuna sikhuphule ifomu bese siyanishaya ngoba phela sayikhuphula ifomu siyanishaya iyonto enifunayo leyo nizothula mangabe sesikhuphula ifomu ngoba nizokhuluma kunaqala futhi anithuli vele nina sidalwa sini anithuli umuntu uzahlale ahlala u10 minutes analyze ibhola ePirate hayi nishiye nje ukuthi angisupport iPirate hayi ake sishiye le nto angeke sishiye le yonke engeke sishiye le indaba wena ufuna silalele wena usichazela ngeteam yethu nishiye nje ake sikhulumeni ngebhola khuluma ngebhola lapha ekhaya ziyawi izindlu lapha kuyavutha lapha dike kamanzi uhambe uyocisha ubhizi wena la thina sifaka ama-tiles siyarufa sifaka icapha yonke into wena ubhizi nathi usuganga wena nisanokuganga nina nje umuntu okanithakatha nina usashona ngiyanitshela akasekho emhlabeni manje anisakwazi ukunqandwa hayi washona wafa nje the nina niyoba talkative non-stop talkative useless talkative nohlezi nina ngeke sanenza lutho nathi nohlezi nikhuluma ngisho singalanda abani kwiPirate ngisho singalanda uMessi simbekela silande abadlali bonke abadlala silanda oMbappe ungezwe ngathiwani anikwazi ukuthula hayi hawu uTito ungabe kwaTito kuthiwa hayi ke manje asazi ke funa ukubona nizobona lindani nibone kingani nixheshela ningazicontinue yapha umbona umuntu asheshe endleni uphinde uyamdlula futhi hawu uyamdlula usebhekele uyambona usebhekele futhi uyale inina ke lapha hayi nina niyahlupha
ngiqeda nje ukwenza ivideo ngiqeda ngakho kodwa ukwenza ivideo ngithi ngimbone Jima engathi engehamba kodwa bese lungisa izinto engiyibalile because football wise inside the field of play he is one of the best players we've ever seen ngiloko ngiphindile le but attitude wise he is not a Orlando Pirates type of a player ukukhumbula ke indlela kadayiswe ngayo ibine controversy eningi indlela kahanjiswe ngayo ibine controversy eningi beziningi kakhulu izinkulumo around umdlalo weOrlando Pirates lapha wasesiswini ukuthi ke manje sebelahlekelwe o10 babo ababili ngewindi eli1 Tito Maswanganyi is gone uthi le uhilo Mfukeng is gone. This one is two-sided attitude wise he needs to go attitude wise if kwahanjiswa lochi ngenxa attitude notida kahambe but football wise it's going to take time to replace such talent. It's going to take time but simfisela inhlanhla umjito engathi le yakhona ngafike enze izinto kancane.
But mfethu yabona mina into engayisho ukuthi izinto sezinje Orlando Pirates they have to get a number 10 that is similar to a Tito Maswanganyi, that is similar to a Relay Mofokeng. Because one thing that Orlando Pirates have taught us under the Jose Rivero and Coach Abdeslam era, that their number 10 has to give player of the season type of performances. He might not win player of the season, but he has to be their most important player. Under Jose Rivero, Tito Maswanganyi was named a player of the season because he was excellent in that number 10 role. Under Coach Abdeslam, Relay Mofokeng was the number 10. So all I'm saying, Orlando Pirates, they cannot drop the standard in terms of their number 10s that they might have since Utito is leaving the club. There is the young man, Usimpiwe Mvimbi, Umasilela, right? And I think that boy is a project. So I don't want my friends to put a lot of pressure. But in the Orlando Pirates management, I trust them. In terms of sporting talent, they can sport talent. And I think they will feel that position got Tito Maswanganyi very well. Hopefully, it will happen this season than later. Salute.